Hello everyone and welcome to the Windows Club. Microsoft Office is one of the most essential productivity tools for work, school and everyday tasks. But to unlock all its features, you will need to activate your copy properly. In this video, I will show you how to activate Microsoft Office 2024, Office 2021 or Microsoft 365 or check your activation status and explore the available activation methods on Windows 11. Let's get started. How to check Office activation status? Before activating Office, let's first check its activation status. Open any Office application such as Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Go to File, then Account. The program's activation status is visible right under the Product Information heading. If it says Product Activated, it means that you have a validly licensed copy of Microsoft Office. But a yellow highlighted box that reads Product Activation Required signifies that you need to activate your copy of Microsoft Office. Another method to check activation status is by using Command Prompt. Locate the Microsoft Office installation folder, open a new Command Prompt window, enter the Office installation path like cd, then Office installation path and run this command. After running the script, you will be able to see the current license status. You can even see the expiry date, the last 5 characters of your product key and other similar details. Sign into Office using Microsoft account. If you have already purchased a license or you are just reinstalling Office on a new computer, you don't need any product keys. All you need to do is sign in using the same Microsoft account used to buy the license. Office will automatically pick up the eligible license from your account. If you have multiple Office licenses tied to your account, Office will list all of them and you can select which license you want to use for activation. Here is how. Open any Office application such as Word or Excel. A pop-up will prompt you to sign in. Click the Sign In button or go to the file, then click on Account, then Product Activation. Enter the credentials for the account that has Office license tied to it. Select one of the licenses displayed in the list if multiple licenses are available. Activate Office using product key. If you bought an Office license from a physical or an online store, you must have received it in the form of a product key. It is recommended to link the product key with your Microsoft account first. Follow these steps. Go to office.com/setup. Sign in using your Microsoft account, enter the 25-character product key. Select your country and language and then click Next. You will be redirected to the Microsoft Services and Subscriptions page. Locate the product you just activated and click Install Now. Run the setup to install Office. When prompted, sign in using the same Microsoft account. If Office is already installed on your computer, simply go to File, then Account, then Product Activation and sign in. This procedure is only required once. After that, the license is linked to your Microsoft account. Activate using Office Activation Wizard. When a copy of Office has exhausted the trial period or is not activated, you will see the Office Activation Wizard. If you have changed some computer hardware, you may also run into activation issues that can be resolved using the Activation Wizard. To activate over the internet, select I want to activate the software over the internet and then select Next. Or choose the telephone activation option if you want to contact Microsoft support and activate Office over the phone. If you still cannot activate your product, it is best to contact Microsoft support. So that was how to activate Microsoft Office 2024, 2021 or Office 365 on Windows 11. If you face any issues during the activation process, you can use the Microsoft Office Activation Troubleshooters. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Windows Club. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.